Hello friends, now we will discuss about rate equation and rate constant of a chemical reaction. Let us consider a nth order reaction. It is represented like that. A, that is reactant, on reaction gives products. Now the rate of the reaction, that is R, is equal to minus d A by dt. Now why this sign minus is taken? Because with the progress of time, the concentration of the reactant decreases, so we use the minus term. Therefore, since the rate of the reaction is nth order, minus dA dt is proportional to the molar concentration of A to the power small n. That is, the rate of the reaction depends on the nth power of the concentration of the reactant. So the order of the reaction is n, or minus dA dt is equal to some constant K into molar concentration of A to the power n. Now, if the concentration of A is small a when time is 0, concentration of A, that is molar concentration of A, is small a, and when time is t second, concentration of A becomes A minus x. Now what is x? X equal to concentration of product. Therefore, according to the rate equation, we can write minus d of A minus x by dt, that is, in place of concentration of A, we write A minus x. It is equal to some constant K into A minus x whole to the power n. This K is called rate constant of the reaction, or it is called specific reaction rate. Now, from this we can write minus dA dt plus dx by dt equal to some constant K into A minus x whole to the power n. Now A is constant, so dA dt, this term is 0. Therefore, we can write dx dt equal to some constant K into A minus x whole to the power n, because dA dt is equal to 0 since A is constant. Now, dx dt equal to K into A minus x whole to the power n, or K equal to dx dt divided by A minus x whole to the power n. Now, dx is change of concentration, so its unit is mole liter inverse, dt has unit second, a minus x has same unit, mole liter inverse, whole to the power n. So the equation becomes mole to the power 1 minus n liter to the power n minus 1 second inverse. This is very important relation to determine the rate of a reaction. As for example, if K is equal to 0.2 mole liter inverse second inverse, then what will be the rate of the reaction? Comparing the power of mole in these two equations, we can write 1 minus n is equal to 1, because here the power of mole is 1 and here the power of mole is 1 minus n. So 1 minus n is 1, therefore n equal to 2. So if we notice that the unit of rate constant is mole liter inverse second inverse, then the order of the reaction is 2. Similarly, if the rate constant is 5 second inverse, that means it has no mole term or liter term. That means 1 minus n is equal to 0. In that case, n is equal to 1. So for first order reaction, the unit of K is unit of time to the power minus 1. So from the unit of K, we can determine what is the order of the reaction. If there is a question that rate of a reaction is 0.1 mole inverse liter second inverse, what will be the order? Actually, you find that unit of K is mole liter inverse second inverse. So here the power of mole is minus 1. So we can write mole to the power n minus 1, and power of L is liter to the power n minus 1. So n minus 1 is minus 1. Or n equal to 0. That is, the order of the reaction is 0. The order is a 0 order reaction. The reaction is 0 order. That's all. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.